Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Valentine's Day gift for boyfriend that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Silensis E7 Active Noise Cancelling Headphone. The Silensis E7 Active Noise Cancelling Headphones in striking red offer a superior audio experience for travel or work. With advanced Bluetooth technology, these wireless over-ear headphones provide deep bass and crystal clear sound. The built-in microphone ensures hassle-free communication, while the comfortable protein earpads enhance long-wearing comfort. Boasting an impressive 30 hours of playtime, these headphones are perfect for extended journeys or work sessions. The sleek design and noise-canceling feature create an immersive listening environment, making the Silensis E7 a stylish and functional accessory for those seeking high-quality audio with the convenience of wireless connectivity. Moving on at number 4, we have Soho's Retro Sunglasses. The Soho's Retro Oversized Square Polarized Sunglasses are a stylish blend of vintage charm and modern functionality. Designed for both women and men, these classic large metal sunglasses offer UV 400 protection, ensuring optimal eye safety in the sun. The square shape adds a trendy retro touch to any outfit, making them a versatile accessory for various occasions. With polarized lenses, these sunglasses reduce glare and provide enhanced clarity. Crafted for comfort and durability, they are a fashion-forward choice for those who appreciate timeless style and reliable eye protection. Elevate your look with the Soho's Retro Oversized Square Sunglasses for a touch of timeless elegance. At number 3, we have Metal Wallet with Money Clip. Surprise your special someone with a thoughtful Valentine's Day gift. The slim minimalist wallet for men with Money Clip. This sleek and functional RFID wallet is not only a stylish accessory but also a practical essential. Crafted with a minimalist design, it offers convenience without compromising on sophistication. The included money clip adds a modern touch, ensuring secure storage. The RFID technology enhances security, protecting against electronic theft. This men's wallet is not just a gift, it's a daily companion that combines style and functionality, making it a perfect expression of love for the practical and fashion-conscious man in your life. At number 2, we have Braun All-in-One Style Kit. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5470 is a versatile 8-in-1 trimmer designed for men, offering a comprehensive grooming solution. This kit includes a beard trimmer, body trimmer for manscaping, hair clippers, and more. Featuring ultra-sharp blades and 40-length settings, it ensures precision and customization for your desired look. The waterproof design allows for easy cleaning, and the durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether shaping your beard, grooming your body, or maintaining your hair, the Braun Series 5470 provides a reliable, all-encompassing grooming experience, making it an ideal choice for men who prioritize convenience and precision in their grooming routine. And finally at number 1, Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch. The Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch for men is a cutting-edge fitness companion with impressive features. Boasting a remarkable 12-day battery life, this sleek watch integrates Alexa for convenient voice commands. With Bluetooth call and text capabilities, it keeps you connected on the go. The built-in GPS and 150 sports modes cater to diverse fitness activities. The 1.45 inches AMOLED display offers vibrant visuals, while the fitness tracking includes SpO2 and heart rate monitoring. In a stylish black design, the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro is a sophisticated blend of technology and functionality, catering to the active lifestyle of modern men. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.